In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a spotlight effect using the overlay and gradient options. Open the image in Photoshop and identify the area where you want to apply the spotlight effect. Create a new blank layer and set the layer mode to Overlay. Select the rectangular marquee tool and make a selection in the area where you want to apply the spotlight effect. Select the gradient tool and choose the white to transparent gradient, as demonstrated. Press Ctrl+T to enter free transform mode, then right-click and select the perspective option. Adjust the gradient to match the spotlight area. Go to the Filter menu, select Blur, then choose Gaussian Blur, and adjust the properties to achieve a smooth spotlight effect. Repeat the process or duplicate the current layer by holding the Alt key, and adjust the spotlight effect for all desired areas. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it. It helps motivate us to create more content.